Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2015 Kia Sedona LX trim level. The big green sticker in the upper right of the windshield tells you that the vehicle qualifies for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. There's many features and benefits to that program. Check it out when you come to test drive the Sedona. Sedona has aluminum alloy wheels, has drip guards over the windows, has signal repeaters in the mirrors, and on the driver's window there's a sign that says Sirius XM is on, which means that you get 3 months of Sirius XM radio come with this vehicle. Vehicle has power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some of the controls. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls. Showing on the odometer is 72,983 kilometers. AM/FM Sirius XM radio. Van has a backup camera. Climate control for front and rear. You can control the rear from up here, or your passengers can control it from up here at the back. Also behind the gear shift lever is an aux USB port and Kia's famous UVO, standing for your voice. Has heated cloth seats, an active eco button, and rear parking sensors. Gorgeous beige interior. The driver's seat is powered. Second row doors are manually operated. And if you look closely, there's a switch, and the second row windows do go down. This is an 8-passenger van. The previous owner never did install the seat in the middle, but it comes with the van. There's that middle seat, still wrapped in plastic, brand new, never been used. So you can make it 8 passengers. Plenty of room for cargo and anything else you wish to carry. Of course, the third row folds down into the floor for a flat surface. The front two fold down. So if you're looking for a van, Kia Sedona would be an excellent selection. This LX version with all of its features. Come on over to West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.